favorite, best cheap pasta sauce. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is my favorite cheap pasta sauce. This is Classico Creamy Rosé. It's like a tomato cream sauce, and you can buy this at Walmart for about $2.99. So at today's prices, this is a really good deal, cheap, and in my opinion, for $2.99, it is a tasty pasta sauce. So let's go make lunch. This is what the sauce looks like. Right there. Inside of a cap. Pretty good looking sauce. There you go. Here we go, guys. The lunch is ready. This is what it looks like, and let's eat. It looks really good. It looks delicious. Oh yeah, look at that pasta sauce. Just stick it to the pasta. That is what you want. You want your pasta sauce sticking to the pasta. You don't want to see a pool of pasta sauce and your pasta just floating around in the sauce. That is not what you want to see. This is what you want. All right, here we go. It's the first bite. Classico pasta sauce, $2.99 at Walmart. Good stuff, man. For $2.99, you can't go wrong with the sauce. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. 2 thumbs up for $2.99. For the price and how good it tastes, this is 5 out of 5 sauce, man. One of my favorites. The price is right. The sauce is delicious. If you like pasta, this is the sauce, man. This is the budget sauce. You can't go wrong with this sauce. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna go finish my lunch. I'm hungry. See you guys in the next one. Bye.